So many people speak English but still make so many tiny mistakes, and the worst part is they even don't realize it. आप भी शायद डेली इंग्लिश बोलते होंगे, लेकिन आप अननोइंगली ऐसी छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक्स करते हैं जो आपकी फ्लुएंसी और आपकी इंप्रेशन दोनों को अफेक्ट कर सकता है. बट डोंट वरी, इन टूडेज लेसन वी आर गोइंग टू फिक्स देम ऑल. आज के लेसन में मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ 50 कॉमन मिस्टेक्स. 2, 5, 10 नहीं, लेकिन 50 कॉमन मिस्टेक्स लाई हूँ जो हम अपनी डेली इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग में करते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडियन लर्नर्स करते हैं, और उसे हम फिक्स करने जा रहे हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू फिक्स देम ऑल, वी आर गोइंग टू करेक्ट देम ऑल. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड विथ अस टिल द एंड, बिकॉज इनमें से कई सारी मिस्टेक्स, जैसा मैंने बताया, आप भी करते ही होंगे. तो हो सकता है आप वो मिस्टेक को समझ सके और आगे जाके whenever you speak English, you speak it correctly. चलिए, without any further delay, let's get started. He don't know, he doesn't know. Use does with he, she and it. She don't like tea, she doesn't like tea. Use doesn't with singular subjects. I'm agree, I agree. Don't use am with agree. He have a car, he has a car. Use has with he, she and it. I didn't went, I didn't go. Use base verb after didn't. She is knowing him, she knows him. No ing with no. I am having 2 brothers, I have 2 brothers. Use have not am having. He is coming every day, he comes every day. Use simple present for routine. I am understanding, I understand. No ing with understand. She do her work, she does her work. Use does with she and he. I am here since morning, I have been here. Use present perfect continuous tense with since. He didn't eat food, he didn't eat food. Always use V1 after didn't. She is more smarter, she is smarter. Don't use double comparison. Return back, return. Return already means back. Discuss about, discuss. Discuss doesn't need about. Revert back, revert. Revert already means reply back. I didn't knew, I didn't know. Use base verb after didn't. He is senior than me, he is senior to me. Use to with senior or junior. I prefer tea than coffee, I prefer tea to coffee. Use prefer to, not than. One of my friend, one of my friends. Use plural after one of. She is my cousin's sister, she is my cousin. Don't add sister, brother after cousin. I'm going to home, I'm going home. No to before home. I'll call you back tomorrow only, I will call you tomorrow. Avoid unnecessary only. He gave me many advices, he gave me a lot of advices. Advice is uncountable. I have less friends, I have fewer friends. Use fewer for countable nouns. There is many people, there are many people. Use are with plural. He don't has money, he doesn't have money. Use doesn't plus have, not has. She is good in dancing, she is good at dancing. Use at with good. I am waiting since 2 hours, I have been waiting for 2 hours. Use for with duration. He married with her, he married her. No with after married. I didn't saw him, I didn't see him. Use V1 after didn't. She is having headache, she has a headache. Use has, not is having with headache. I am belong to India, I belong to India. Don't use am with belong. He is my real brother, he is my brother. Real is not needed. I am working here since 5 years, I have been working here for 5 years. Use present perfect continuous tense, the time duration. She is more taller than me, she is taller than me. Avoid double comparison. He is my colleague friend, he is my colleague. Don't add friend unnecessarily. I am not understanding this, I do not understand this. Use simple present tense. He is good in English, he is good at English. Always say good at. I did a mistake, I made a mistake. Use make, not do with mistake. She is telling lie. She is telling a lie. Use article a with lie. He didn't replied. He didn't reply. Use V1 after didn't. I'm going in market. I'm going to the market. Use to with going. Open the light. Turn on the light. Use turn on off for devices. Close the light. Turn off the light. Say turn off, not close. I'm going for sleep. I'm going to sleep. Use to sleep. Pass me the salt na. Please pass me the salt. Use please for politeness. I'm very boring. I'm very bored. Boring is equal to causing boredom. Bored is equal to feeling. This work is very easy only. This work is very easy. Avoid unnecessary only. He is my childhood friend. He is my childhood friend only. He is my childhood friend. Don't add extra only.